All right, folks, dust off those blankets and grab your basket because the summer picnic season is upon us. Why not find a shady spot in the park or even your own backyard and enjoy dinner al fresco? So joining me in the kitchen is celebrity chef Mark Kalix to share some picnic perfect recipes. I love having you in.
Thank you.
And really tell us when you're trying to arrange a picnic, should you do just kind of like easy, fast and fresh kind of finger foods, or can you really go all out?
You can go all out with a little bit of just prep, some thought.
Okay.
Walk around the grocery store, find what's fresh, and of course, utilize what's seasonal.
Right.
You know?
Definitely.
And what I love is panzanella salad. You're going to see.
It looks beautiful.
Yeah, we've got some grilled vegetables here: zucchini, squash, onions, and peppers. And when you're grilling zucchini, it's really important to get rid of the seeds. So let me show you a little knife trick here.
All right, I love the pro tips.
Yeah, so if you take out the outside, grill this part. This is where all the flavor is.
And this, take out the seeds.
This is all water. You know, you ever like saute zucchini and it gets like a mess?
Yes.
Get rid of that.
Smart.
Grill this, and you're gonna have a vegetable that really holds up quite nicely.
So perfect.
And then don't cut your vegetables too small. You don't want them to fall through the grill grates. So I just take out the seeds in one shot.
You make it look so easy.
Thank you. Yeah, little practice there.
I've been at that thing for like 5 minutes.
But look how easy that's going to handle on your grill.
It's beautiful. Oh my gosh.
So we've got our vegetables here, and you know I toasted off a bunch of Italian bread.
Beautiful.
So, you know what I love about this salad, this panzanella salad, is that it will hold up in the refrigerator. So you can make this the day before, and I promise you this won't get mushy.
Okay.
No one wants mushy bread.
No.
No, never,
You're
never.
just mixing that all in with the peppers and zucchini and onion, and then you have some beautiful roasted lemons.
Yeah, those went on the grill too. I marched them across the grill. They look great. I just think they add a ton of flavor. But you know how like sometimes lemon can be too much?
Right.
You know, it's like, oh gosh, lemon and everything.
But the heat changes some of the sugars in it, right?
It does. It does. It mellows stuff out.
Love it.
All right, so there's one.
It's beautiful.
And you can make this beforehand. Yeah, you're gonna taste?
Well, yeah. I should.
All right.
I also probably have to talk, so I'll take a little tiny TV bite.
Yeah, take a TV bite. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think of the grilled lemon.
I love it.
You love it?
So good.
Okay.
You can taste that char from the grill and just a little bit of that spice, you know, flavor from the lemon.
That's
but
right.
And you recommend this is fine to serve cold. It doesn't have to be hot.
You can do it hot or cold.
Okay.
I make it in advance and I bring it along. But let's say you want to do a little cooking when you're doing your picnic. So I'd make these kits all the time. This is a kind of our mozzarella and our tomato.
Yeah,
caprese salad. I wrap up my basil in a little, little towel here. It's good to tear your basil so you don't bruise it. And then to dress it, I make my dressing in a throw it in a squeeze bottle.
Love it.
Here's the pro tip: a little plastic wrap to keep it leaking.
Yep.
Right?
Don't want that to leak in your picnic basket.
So balsamic.
Perfect.
Olive oil, clove of garlic in there.
Do you have a pro tip for picking and storing tomatoes the best way to get the freshest and best tomatoes?
Just don't refrigerate them.
Oh,
you know, that's
all right.
really, once they hit the refrigerator, they're going to lose their wholesomeness, and they just don't have the same flavor. So there we go. I'm going to taste this myself.
Yeah, dive in.
And I love this because we have tomatoes, we have basil. Everybody I know loves a caprese salad. No man, woman, or child that has ever said to me, "No thanks, no, Chef Mark, I don't want caprese."
Is so good. Okay, before we run out of time, let's talk about watermelon.
Yes. You know, watermelon is such a delicious treat, particularly this time of year. And I do a watermelon salad. This is something that I just really enjoy. You can serve it as a salad. So what do you got? You know, I had some scallions kicking around. I love feta because it's salty. I love olives because it's briny.
The salty and the sweet together.
That's right. And then onions, I love to marinate my onions in some cold water overnight so that they offer a nice bite without like making your eyes water.
That's another pro tip. Marinate them in cold water. I love it.
That's right. And then finally, of course, the food of my people, Kalamata olives. I love it. I love it.
Can never get enough olives.
That's right. And you know, maybe some extra virgin olive oil, some lemon juice. Maybe you got your dressing kicking around. It just is a feast for the eyes and it's delicious.
Love it. And any, pro tip for pairing with an entree? Does it really not matter? You can do anything with a salad.
Yeah, so, I'm going to be grilling some proteins
Yep.
and bringing those already grilled, already sliced.
Smart.
and have everything packaged. And then don't forget your plates, your silverware. Don't forget your trash bowl.
Well, we gotta go, Chef. Thank you so much. That was so wonderful. Chef Mark Kalix is the celebrity chef for Appliance Factory Fine Lines. If you'd like to book Chef Mark for an in-home cooking class or dinner party, you can find more information on his website at celebritychefmarkk.com. That's going to do it for us today. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you back here tomorrow at 11:30 a.m.